Welcome y'all. Today we're in a community called Ladiesfield. Where Ladiesfield again, Kenneth?
No.
We're not reach a Ladiesfield yet?
No,
where would they know?
Bad.
Okay, guys. Today we are going to a community called Ladiesfield. We're now in Bath. We are walking up on what are you again? We're walking up on Castle Hill. Yeah man, so Kenneth the peeps.
Yeah, man. That's up.
I know one spirit may attack you, is it? Not yet. Alright, so we're walking up on Castle Hill, going in search of the Ladiesfield Plantation in the community of Ladiesfield. Now, Ladiesfield is a community that is known for, well, it's known for being a community. Yeah, we're going to be searching for Mr. Philip Forsyth's plantation, that is the Ladiesfield Slavery Plantation, and Mr. Philip Forsyth, just the very same thing. We not know nothing about him. Nobody know nothing about him for that matter. History just have him name, and that he was born in England. He came here. He lived in Bath. He owned the Ladiesfield Plantation and the Barking Lodge Plantation, and he was buried in Ladiesfield. So we are going to Mr. Forsyth here today to see what we can find out, because yeah, I'm gonna follow me. I could do it. Done. Yeah, we can see what I go.
Ready?
Yeah guys, so another thing is that in 1679, when Philip Forsyth passed, it was handed over to unknown attorneys for 4 consecutive periods, straight up until 1817, when, get this, it was handed down to a William Forsyth, which historic papers said is not known to have been a relative of Philip Forsyth. But I feel like I'm son because he was born in Dumfries, and that's when father is dead and buried. And it's just could have been too much of a coincidence. Let me know what y'all think. I feel like I'm son still. Yeah man, so I could do it. Follow me. I could see what it look like. So guys, let us take our time and type Miami Vice in the comment section down below. Yeah man. This is the road guys that leads us up to Airfield. And as my uncle said, this is the road which Paul Bogle has taken, which Paul Bogle took to get into Portland. So this leads you up to Airfield.
Airfield, yeah.
And then from Airfield to Millbank. And then Portland. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the road. Yeah, man.
Portland, so you know you find the railroad and the valley there, so. You know you have Maroon community there, so.
Okay.
Millbank, Moortown.
Yeah.
So another area there, none really. They have a strong way, you understand?
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
So, but that same road there, Bogle trod.
Oh, alright.
So, catching, is it?
Okay, so we are trod the road
yeah,
then.
So we are trod the road, the ancestors trod, is it?
Alright, yeah, man. Mr. Miami Vice, so you saw that now?
Castle Hill, they call it Castle Hill.
And
so I don't know if I you know it will be called Castle Hill now, but
Castle Hill, but them say Castle Hill.
Castle, you know what Castle Hill,
yeah.
so we are Castle Hill.
True. But hear me I say, for the viewers, how can they go about purchasing one of these Miami Vice shirts?
Well, this shirt was given by my son, you know. Jason, big up yourself, you know.
Oh.
I like my pretty shirt, you know.
Yeah, Miami Vice, tourist style. Peeps, and I like Kenneth shirt. Let me know. Kenneth shirt is gonna be the topic of this video. It's not. It's not. When we talk standard English now, it's not. But it's not gonna. It's not gonna bother be a history video. It's gonna be about Kenneth shirt.
Oh, sure.
Yes, Miami Vice. Yeah man, that's supposed it come with AC too.
Yeah man.
Let me know what it come with. What the accessories it come with?
Yes, it come with.
You say AC alone?
Yeah.
Oh, it's supposed to cool in that. So guys, that's the background over there. Beautiful footage.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're on the road.
It's a bath, you know?
We're on the road which Paul Bogle had walked. Yeah guys, so I really do enjoy making these videos, don't get me wrong. However, as you know, we can't now get a wall back on YouTube where the videos are not being promoted by YouTube. I don't know if it's because of history. You understand? So guys, if you're interested in these videos and you love these videos, share the video guys. Alright? I'm not ask if you subscribe or if you like the video, just share it please. If you like this video, then most likely someone else will like it. So please share the videos, that really help the channel. And yeah, YouTube now do it. So let's do it together. Alright? Yeah man. We're in Ladiesfield. Me?
Oh.
Me? You like down there, sir? You like down there? The view. I'm actually if you like down there. Guys, beautiful view. Yeah man. Go and drop off, you know? So the power way. Yeah guys, so the journey kinda long, you know, so we have to take a 5. Kenneth over there saying the Miami Vice shirt in the seat. Yeah, man. You walk up on the pinnacle of the hill.
You know Tantan?
Yeah.
A long Tantan in come. From Spring Yard side, come down Tantan. So I put them about this place and call Palang.
That's on you.
Yeah. Then them come cross the river, the PG River now. And take the hill. Wow. You have one slavery building around there.
Up where?
A Ladiesfield.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Where else?
Yeah, man, and slavery building around there.
Who follow it up now?
It's the goals on.
Goals?
Yeah.
Who name goals?
In dead I know.
Oh, in dead? Okay. So I'm
In them time that this man named Miller.
Miller. You control it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what so in dead too, you know, Miller. In a Jeep.
Yeah. He's a white man or a black man?
White man.
White man?
Yeah.
So Goals was a white man too? So the whole of them were in control of the white man?
Yeah, man.
The white plantation?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so the black man never won?
That's that slavery, man.
Terrible.
Slavery go on there, some man.
Terrible slavery go on there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Whole heap of innocent blood still there.
And all the boy that look out of the building and bad feeling take him and then drive and come down the road and come cross.
Yes, I'm gonna ask about gold.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. It's not something about gold, to do with gold.
Goal?
Yeah, my second man tell about it's a gold the man go dig. Okay. So in just feel say gold buried there?
Yeah, it don't feel like gold there. It did that tough it too.
You
But
feel
I
say it did
find it.
One time me them must have dopey there and say no.
Yeah, they're not slavery building, man. There's no power with bloodshed them,
I'm
man.
gonna say me not for go down there after hours. Cause they say me not for go down there after hours, you know. I don't know why.
After hours.
Yeah. Cause it kinda haunted that way.
After hours more and go there.
You know.
You say man did all live there?
Man did all live, make up house from the building and live there one at a time. Yeah.
Building the same way do.
The building did it. Yeah, stone building.
So okay. Come on.
So guys, as you know, we not drive, so we take a taxi. Yeah man. Anybody afraid of fast driving, let me know in the comment section down below. Cause let me tell you now, like I'm gonna show you a little clip right now. Now look on this, like the man, the driver drive fast. Not that he might drive reckless, but him drive fast and the rain that come down on the road wet. And you want to see me in the back. Can it a hold for break me one that hole, you know? Me a whole break. And it's like, me not go say me no drive fast or me drive slow. Me will speed at times, but me not like in a taxi and it a drive fast. Worse, wet road, me scared of wet roads. You know, wet roads are dangerous. Alright? Yeah man, but we're up on way now. Yeah man, you know my uncle used to drive bus. Kenneth used to drive bus, no? Kenneth was a terrible driver, yo. Wicked shooter driver. But one of these days, peeps, I'm making it because he's got a lot of stories, you know, about being on the road, driving bus and all of that. Like things will happen on the road and them thing there. So Kenneth, one of them days you have to tell them a couple of them stories, is it? Yeah, like when I see the duppy?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah guys, them keep on tell you say duppy up where I go today. So if we bring rum, and with that, and with that, me show no what I go on.
Yeah.
What you think about the vaccine?
Well, the vaccine is a very dangerous subject, you know.
But
if we have to take it for the thing come back to normal, then we don't have a other choice than to take it.
yeah, man,
Because we want the thing come back to normal, you know, we want to walk up and down, we want to go check with mother. You know how long I go check my mother through this corona thing? Because I don't want to bring nothing go give her.
True.
Alright, so if there is something to prevent the whole of that, we come back to us family, Then we have to go deal with it, man.
I love my family, I love my mother, and if for the vaccine, I have to take so that I can be around my mother and I can hug up my mother and them things that I go do it.
Yeah.
Not that me I tell people say them have to do it.
No.
But you see, if you decide you're going to do it, go ahead and do it. Don't follow the myths about persons saying a microchip and them things. Just take the vaccine. There is no country that is going to kill its citizens on a wide variety on a major scale like that. No country not going to kill off everybody. They want everybody to take the vaccine, so I can't kill them, I kill it. You understand? Nothing like that. Don't follow the myths, peeps. You see me? So, would advise everybody to opt out and get them shot done, get them job done. But if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it because it is not mandatory as what they want to make it be. It can't be mandatory because there are persons who this thing now go work with, and there are persons who will get doctors' advice against the vaccine. So how about that? Your doctor say, well, you know this thing, your immune system now go manage this thing, so you can't take it. So therefore it can't be mandatory, and therefore, and again, there's no medication that is 100% where it not gonna work with everybody.
No,
you see me?
It can't work with everybody.
All right, and
everybody make up different.
Yeah, and for persons who see persons die after taking COVID vaccine, and they must say, "Oh, it kill people." Listen, nothing is 100% again. So there are persons who it not go agree with them, and unfortunately, out of 100 people, we have to really do the maths. Out of 100 people, if 5 people take the COVID vaccine and unfortunately them pass, that really is not a statistic for we to go off and say everybody are dead. You understand? The best I would suggest persons to do go a doctor, take a medical checkup and find out if your body can manage the vaccine. Then go ahead and get your job. Alright, and this is not a vaccine promotion or nothing to do with anything like that. It's just our personal point.
Reality, man.
We have to face reality. And we want we can go back to normal, or we can go on with family them and them thing there. Yeah.
I don't like more go look for my mother. Me can't go look for my mother.
You know,
I don't want nothing to do her.
You know, me alone asleep in my bed.
Well, that's one of the issue again.
Alright. Alright. Peeps, we depend we are going a lady feel and we not have no lady. I don't know if this is beauty or if it's a disaster about to happen. Look on the block off your peeps. Right, there's a dangerous, you know. Go and look there. Down there pretty. You see that, peeps? Like so beautiful. There's a road down there also, but you can't drive, so go down there still. We're up on our way, peeps. Still up on our way. Yeah, guys, so that's the. Where's that name?
In the Roaring River.
Roaring River?
Yeah, we're in between a Sunny Hill. I come down.
Oh.
Come up a Whitehall.
Okay.
Come down in a bar.
Roaring River, guys. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm so keep me Roaring River.
Kenneth, where's the owner's name? Peeps. Yeah. Kenneth, where's the owner's name?
They call a corner, yeah? Sign.
Why?
Me don't know why they call it sign, because it look like something did go on around here one long time. And it was a sign and wonders to the community. So they named the corner here leading to Ladiesfield. They call it sign.
Okay.
And also, I
get the accent, Kenneth. Come on now.
And also, the place where I look for,
Yeah.
in that vicinity there.
Okay.
So a two something meet up in a one right or so.
One cave there, Kenneth. You hear the echo? You hear your echo? Talk again.
The sign.
Hold on. Yo! You hear that?
Alright.
One cave there somewhere.
So, we don't know
So
the
guys,
reason why
this
they
is
call it
sign. And if anyone watching knows the reason why here was called sign, let me know in the comment section down below.
And also,
It's a sign.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places.
Them keep on I tell you about spirits. Them said up in the round here. Yeah, them say spirits they around here. And them keep on I tell you like say I read something to everybody I tell you up in the round there. Up in the round there. Your spirits around here, up in the round there. So we are gonna find out guys, cause like I don't know. Them said up in the round there. Guys, we are going around on the plantation road now, no? Yeah man. And yeah man, we are going around on the plantation road now. I don't know what to say. Anytime I find something to say, peeps, I'm not gonna know. So guys, this is one more of them roads. Them ancient slavery roads cut across the hills. You know, you can drive on it still if you want, but yeah, it cut from a long time. They don't use it as a main road anymore, but these are the roads that they use back then to get from one place to another. This could have head cross was straight to Sun Hill. You understand? So yeah, this is one more of those roads guys. And if you notice, we get closer because the walls begin to change. Can you see that? Yeah man, so I get closer. So we're up in another forest here peeps. Yeah, you see it on. Thanks.
3 hours later.
Peeps, I lie SpongeBob I tell you here. I just about 45 minutes. Not 1,000 years or 2 hours later. Like what SpongeBob I say. We reach one place where the road done. Done from one fence and we see one hut over there. So I wanna say road go still not connect. Suppose you wanna say road going. It looks so to me. Always a loss. Be safe around yourself. Because it is supposed to be a road, it's not supposed to be in a dead end. You wanna say from now? Yeah guys, so I wanna say the road. Yeah man, Kenneth always a loss with you. In compass kind of get old, you know peeps. Here. Next week on the 32nd of February, Kenneth 96. Guys, so my uncle cuss because we just use some language where we never did for use. You know, looking at my shades, and I see it in my shades. We find the place guys and I'm so excited like a long time. I don't find nowhere like this and I don't want to get too excited too quick. Because if you get excited, and then we go in the building and because this looks exciting, then you will catch. This looks exciting. That's so now. Yeah, catch heart attack if you're too excited. Guys, this is magnificent. And YouTube no like when I do that no cause it affect my audience retention. How long people watch the video and people jump off of the video them time I talk too much. But guys, today I'm gonna talk. Where you say Kenneth? Oh yeah, I'd find it.
no man, yeah, I'm not
It's big though.
yeah, big.
I know there's a piece that we are see.
There's a front piece here. So this would be Ladiesfield.
Ladiesfield Plantation,
Plantation.
great house. It look like one house.
Yeah, but
From
me
here,
say,
so. But I'm not sure if one house.
but me say, if I this is the plantation, brother.
The plantation big, cause we cover.
Plantation big,
Guys, we
yo.
are walked for about almost 2 hours now. Say plantation big. But the house, this house is fantastic.
Yeah, man.
You know want to see it? I turn back in it.
No, man, we have to go.
Me not hear nobody tell me say them want to see
You
it.
don't listen. I listen, you not listen.
Me not listen.
Yeah, man, you didn't say them if you go on.
You talk louder. Me hear,
Yeah, man,
please.
Yeah, man. Alright, you satisfied?
Me still not. Me hear want somebody.
No, my ear about 6 months that me hear.
Alright, come on, good. Lift up my shades, peeps. I don't want to look in at my shades and see the building. We're too close to it now. I'm not ready yet. I have to wait a little. The building, guys, this big, you know, and it's not, when me done, me telling you, it's not what? This exciting. So guys, this is one of the biggest building we ever find. And before me show you all this building, you see, because we really need the support, I ask you all to like this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, a long time I'm not telling nobody if you subscribe. Click the subscribe button if you want to see the house. And I see part right in the background though, that's just a small part of it and that look big too though. Yeah, if you all want to see the rest of this, subscribe to the channel. Because you know we upload these videos all week long. 3 times a week for that matter. Alright, so yeah, if you want to see the rest of the building, subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, give the video a thumbs up. Get the video to 1,000 likes. Alright, we need 1,000 likes on this video. We never asked for that yet. We always get like more than that, yes, but we need 1,000 likes in the next 12 hours. Alright, and you can help me with that, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have done so, let me know in the poll in the community section. If you have done so, and let me know in the premier chat section if you have done so also. Honestly, I feel like sitting here all day and don't go in the building there. Just sit here and just admire it from outside. Kenneth, where looks you want to go in the building? No.
Yeah, man, when I
Where you want to go to?
well, go see how if we can find a pipe on so what's up.
Are the building this with the so what's up them, Kenneth?
No, but me just know second I see some fruit tree on it, so me just want to go
No, are the building this with the so what's up tree? Where the people might ask about?
Yeah.
The building
yeah.
where Matthew did go?
Yeah.
From down a Moko, Ras Moko?
Yeah.
At that building, yeah?
Yeah, man, but him walk Sunny.
No, but them saw the Sunny Great House and this is a Ladiesfield Great House, so if we the same building.
Different information.
Our information correct.
Well,
we know at the Ladiesfield Great House, owned by Mr. Philip Forsyth. Yeah. And then in the long run with the not his son, William Forsyth. So we have the information. This is the Ladiesfield Great House.
Yeah, this is the Ladiesfield Great House to be exact.
So what matter them call it? Big house?
No, them
they never get no name. Then just say one slavery building, 400-year-old slavery building. Alright, this building, guys, was Kenneth, let me have phone. Let me check something. This building, Matthew said 400 years old, you know. But a building 1603. Alright? Yeah. Philip Forsyth built a building in 1503, so I check and see how much years that. If y'all can check it before me, type it in the comment section down below. Let me see what check before me. Alright. So yeah, guys, so I could check and see how I do this now. Alright, 1603 minus 2021. Guys, I know the next way around if I do it, but yeah. Alright, 2021 minus 1603. That's our 418. Alright, because we do it the next way around, you know, you got a negative 418, but that's the same answer, 418. So this house is 418 years old, guys. So, him did close. Yeah, man, him did close. When you look here. You see that? Still sit down right here, so I'm not going nowhere yet. But what we just figure out, yeah, remember, guys, we have merch for sale, you know, Elite Jamaica shirt. Yeah, man. If you don't want a chain, anybody want a chain, tell me. I can make you get the change. I'll send you it free of cost. Alright? The only thing you have to do, take a picture in it and make a video in it and send it, come give me. Alright? Yeah, but anyway, this place was called Castle Hill. The people them call it Castle Hill. You know we talk already. But now I see the reason why. Because this place was built like a castle. And remember Stokes Hall? And remember Colbeck Castle? Let me show you a picture up on the screen. And then you'll know exactly what we found. I'm not going there, but I know what we'll find. So, peeps, next clip, we will be in the building.
2,000 years later.
And SpongeBob. So guys, my uncle said the man who did own this wasn't as important to the way of the place are big.
The man who did own this piece of place, this property, him wasn't a simpleton.
To the way the place big.
To the way the place big, kind of normal, simple man wouldn't build a place like this.
Guys, me think that's why we can't find no information about this man.
Because
William Forsyth, Philip Forsyth. And then, hold on. And then, me think that's why him son, William Forsyth, which me convinced him son, me feel like that's why they don't really want nobody knows him son. So, them literally, deliberately say, not his relative, not relative of.
yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But guys, the place is big.
But you remember me and I talk about the buy and sell.
That was part tight now. Look, it gone way back so, and then it gone way up so. So we're showing that. Where's it now?
You remember me and I talk about the buy and sell slave. So this is where they need to keep the slave them. And
That's what we did here. But
yeah,
no, that are the son in the great house. Wonder if this could still be the son in the great house.
There is no other.
Because it's a Ladiesfield great house still, you know.
Yeah.
But it could be this, them call the son in the great. No. Yeah, guys, we just have to switch camera a while ago. Battery, the storage pan next one run out. Yeah, as me I say, maybe that's why we can't find information about this man. You know. Yeah. And the buy and sell slave thing. Yeah. And the son in the house, great house thing. Yeah, this could be the one they refer to as the son in the great house.
Yeah, so the one with the upper.
Because the community no name Ladiesfield. The community.
There's a plantation named Ladiesfield.
Okay, I understand.
Community no name Ladiesfield. Community named Castle Hill.
Okay.
Leading to Airfield.
Okay.
Okay. Community there on top, you know.
Oh.
On top of the hill, you know. But we turn off on a sign.
Okay.
Continue Airfield. So this, them could have referred to it as the Sunny Hill Great House.
Them could. So I could go look on it.
Alright, go on.
Go look on it.
Yeah. That's it.
No, your mother. Hold on, I'm not going through the wallet. Now go around that side and go show them the corner. Guys, let me show you all around here first. So this is the side of the building. And you notice we find a great find. This is one of our biggest find. Guys, let me know if you think I broke the record. Alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, let me know if we break a record. If y'all think we broke that record as to our largest find, as in plantation houses. When you see how in the big, we're not going there yet. Alright. So, me still, you know how Elite Jamaica is. We still have to shout out Matthew. And we still have to shout out Moko, because I think this is where Matthew had came. Yeah, man, but y'all had requested this video. And yeah, man, with all the building now, but we approach it from a different angle still. Yeah, man. I try to make it look like a different, you know? Wow! Kenneth, how you bring me come, man?
Yeah, man, make you come on the greatest find that
I slavery, you bring me come back, you know? Guys, me I go stop film, and me I go make Kenneth alone film, and me just go sit down. Right now, I'm so excited. I'm not even turn the camera on this, so I turn it back out here. So, guys, we broke the record. We're not even for to answer the question there. When you look here, we have one more, you know? Down there, you know? Jesus Christ. Look, guys, we're gonna explore all of that. Wow! Yo! Janu? Guys, I had to come on camera for this. Like, seriously?
Yeah, man.
As me I say, anybody want a chain? Want to tell me? It's you know, this are the quarter farms upon it. Yeah. This is my order of distinction, cause them no want to give me none, so I get one for myself. But if anybody want that chain, you tell me. I send it to you free of cost. The only thing you have to do, take a picture of it, send it, come give me. And if you want Elite Jamaica merch to buy, let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, this, oh gee, come here, friend. Come here, follow. Want a dog bite you? You come right up on me there?
Yeah.
Come right up on me there, and then I turn around with me and catch the back of the building. Catch the stretch of the building, go down. You see that, guys? You see how that building is big? You see that? You don't see that? I don't think you see that. We are showing you. Look here. You follow me. Oh, I'm showing you around us first. You guys are excited. You don't follow me. Well, follow me. So, guys, on behalf of So guys, on behalf of Elite Jamaica, I proclaim this to be our largest find in the history of vlogging. Our largest find. What, look at it. You see that, guys? Yo! And guess what? I have to touch it. Hey, peeps, y'all remember one time when we go up on the site them, let me see who I watch a long time. When I remember one time I go up on the site them and I see the building them, I wouldn't touch the building them, I'm scared if I touch the building them because they're so old and it's slavery and people tell me about duppy and all of that. Guys, that one here. But guys, on a serious note, this is our greatest find. And shout out to Kenneth, shout out to everyone who actually gave us information about this site.
Yeah, man. Puss.
Puss.
Yeah,
Shout
man.
out to
Puss
Puss.
from Sunhill, man. Water Valley.
Anybody named Puss, you have to watch them. You
No,
know?
man. Puss. Raiden, I name, man. Raiden, man.
Shout out to Raiden.
Yeah, man.
Big
From
up.
Water Valley.
Because this is our largest find so far. Guys, if you don't agree, because we know some people not going to agree because they might remember about Gabran Hall. I'm showing a clip of Gabran Hall on the screen, but we know some not remember about Gabran Hall. But if you all agree that this is our greatest find, as in construction, we can't taller than we. Gabran Hall never really all taller than this big. Guys, this you're gonna find a psychiatric hospital for me. You continue to do this. Okay, you something on the camera here. You want you do in time to go up this. You see in time to go up this, so? When you touch the button here, this, like so. Hold on, I'll take some picture from now, because I'm forget to know. Yeah guys, so honestly, I don't know where to go first. I don't know where to go first. If I go that side here, I'm if I go up the step. I show this little alleyway right here. I'm if I take the main entrance. I'm if I go down this up. I'm gonna keep me go first. Alright, I'll go this first. Yeah guys, so whoa. Jesus, weed. Look here. Guys, look there. And you see how far that gone down there, so? That's far, you know guys. That away down there, so. And follow me. So, guys, the place here, it have me excited. Like, you see, the places that we find that are in deep jungle, they're always nicer than the ones them were there in a society, in a civilization, because they're always bulldozed and break down for farming and all of that when they're out in a society. But this nice. This is huge. Let me see around here, so guys. Follow me. Whoa. Whoa. Can you talk to us and up there?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
They don't want to come.
No one will come.
Look there, guys. All around. All around, guys. It's just magnificent, yo. And then we have out here, having this room right here, guys. Down here, guys, this big. You sure, sir? You have some more to come? Okay, so bush up.
Remember Gilches, you know?
Who name, sir?
In general, we drop out, you know?
Oh,
Mama
okay.
Paulet and Gilches.
Oh,
We used to farm down from the bank, you know?
okay.
Real general. Raw,
true.
you know? Yeah, man.
Guys, it's another room. Oh, the back entrance, back exit. And that's another piece of the column. And then we have here. Kenneth, how we all come out of that place? Alright, now my foot don't feel on way, yo.
Yeah. Let's go to home, Panny.
No. No, get about no rum. Can't get up from rum, I'm drink. Yeah, guys, so here's another room around here. Another piece of the building right there. And then we have there, we'll go over another side of the building that's still showing now. Inside, not where it's connected now, inside of the building. Alright, so come on. You see the sauce up? So guys, there is another, the major part of the building is up here, guys. This is a small part we'll check out right now. So Kenneth go around this, so I'm going to go up the stairs. We'll look at the upper side. Wow. Up here nice, guys. I have to lift up my shades. Kenneth, I hope you're so nice. Guys, take a look at this. Wow, you see this one I walk on the bridge over the arch, you know. I walk on above the arch. So this would be the entrance into this upstairs room right here. Because there would have been an upstairs room right here. You know, this would have been the entrance. At least we can see how the house set up, Kenneth. This is the arch right there, so. Would that be the entrance to come over in the room where they above the ground floor down there, so is it? So that's the ground floor, guys. Ground floor finish right there, so. You can notice. And then this is the top floor. You know, that's a door right there. You know. Yeah, man, a window right here. And this is the arch that me actually walk across on. No, no, I couldn't something. Yeah, guys. And this is the rest of the building up here. More construction. This is our largest fine piece. Here's another piece of the construction. And you can see I did this. I did nice, lovely, decent construction. You see this? Here one nice little all or something there up here. So I'm gonna go over that side here, go look again, guys. What do you want here, so? And if you'll notice, we're on the second floor, you know, because that's the first floor down there. Alright. Yeah, man, look at the first floor down there. I'm ready for showing you that here, guys. More than a house. Castle. Wow. Guys, you know see that? You know, look here. Where I'm gone? I'm gone now a whole one. Big crook lizard a while ago, you know? Guys, you know see where Kenneth there? I want to see a building over there, so. One step there, so if I go downstairs, you know? Yeah. Our next piece of building out there, so guys. I'm going to show up here so first. You find the tank? Yeah, guys, and you see how them cut them stone them neat? From afar when you see it, you don't think a block. Cut really neat. What that height?
Alright. I don't know.
You don't know?
What is?
You know what that?
You not taste it?
What? You taste it first, I
taste
see.
it too, man.
So taste it, let me see now.
What am I man?
Taste it.
What do you think?
I don't know. I give you 10 minutes. If you not drop them, I taste my one.
Orange, you know?
Yeah, man, but if you not drop them, I taste my one. Guys, this is the tank, guys. This is the tank. Deep tank.
So, Alex, what do you think down there so what?
Eh? No, the house. Upstairs there, you know. That are downstairs, you know. You see? You see above them door, the way you see them the mark they go across? That was the second floor, you know. You know, realize?
Okay.
Then I see me go across the 4 year while I go across the arch and reach over in the room. The only thing is because them build the top floor out of board. No walk this, so Kenneth. You can't walk this in the people in the house, Virgin.
With my shoes?
You can't do that if you walk in the people in the house right there, so. Guys, this is nice, you know. You have to walk on the step, bro. You can't jump down in the people in the bedroom. The step there around there, sir. You take the step. You have visitor and our people in house, sir. All dirty slave master them. Still have to respect them. No matter who it may be in God them yard, you have to respect them house, is it? Because we choose to come at them yard, huh? No, Kenneth. Yeah, this is one of the steps. Yeah, guys, this is one of the steps to come up here. So, but another step I'm not talking about still. Get away there. Yeah, guys, so for this tour, we're going downstairs. Watch me. Oh, yeah, the tour guide. Hey, them have lovely step. Can you imagine when they made it new, Kenneth? When the house had the dinner position, look the guys, that's one of the room. Party and party and party. And you know what them say about people and the glove. Party and woman. Guys, this is downstairs, guys. The building is big. This is our largest find. And it's confirmed. I'm not gonna wait for y'all to confirm it. That time, me I confirm it. So this is our largest find. You see, Colbert Castle is out of this because Colbert Castle is well kept by the Heritage Society. Yeah, man, that one in a bush. This is a large find. Largest find on Elite Jamaica so far. Alright. Yeah, man. And the worst thing is that this man is not known. We don't know nothing about the man more than his name. And that.
You don't have a history about this man?
No. Not me. Nobody have no history about him. It come like the same like the Colbert Castle when nobody don't know who built it.
So you kinda believe when I say about the slave trade, something in that area?
Yeah. We think he was just a one-away man, a buy and sell slave. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So you see how the building is big.
It was no ordinary man, this?
No, this couldn't be ordinary, man. Or a group of people then. We up in the bush. As I know how to find them, Kenneth. Look at the hole behind there, sir. Look behind there, sir.
Yeah.
Over behind there.
What is a pot of gold?
No, no gold, Kenneth. I don't know if you sell gold, you know.
No, I must mango sword.
Oh, that's good. Just stone roll around up underneath there. Watch it, you know. Yes, now watch it.
So this
Oven.
Oh. Okay.
Kitchen this way now, guys.
Oh.
You know the living room where them have the fireplace, where them burn a little fire to keep you warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it, guys. So now we'll come down here and find the next one right here also. You know. So this was a warming. This is the living room, you know, Kenneth.
Yeah.
All of the warming go on here, so. Guys, you know, see up underneath there, so. I don't know what up there. Y'all can tell me. Alright, so this is our next place again where them just.
Oh, the whole them are probably the smoke go through.
Up here, so up top. Them have hole up there too?
So all this is too similar to the one we not show me.
Yeah, but them now go make no chimney still. Them just have build a hole for the smoke come out. Alright, so I know what did one up here. Kenneth, the man did one up here? Yeah. I want to survey them same way. You see them something here? Guys, you see these? These are what they put on the road when they must survey the place. And back then, them days when they do it. We can show you a couple of them. I'll show you what guys won in Mount Lebanon. So this now have on the stamp on top of it yet. None of them now have on the stamp on top of it. You understand? So they place these as line mark, survey markers with the gold stamp or the silver stamp or whatever them put on top of it with the measurement on it. Alright, so one of them people do that sort of thing. You know? Kenneth, could that be a business place, you know, Kenneth? Could that be a business place? Yeah. Just somewhere them do something. You see it, a house, but them do something else. So guys, we are back out the front to the step. Yeah, go back around one more time. Guys, I understand. We want to go back around one more time? Alright, we'll go back around one more time. This is nice. See the thing here, Kenneth? Go across the arch and you go in another room there. But you see, because I board them below there, you can always see ledge. Yeah, man, you can walk across it. Man. You see, because of the ledge right, you see the ledge right there, that's why the board they go across, you know.
Yeah, man.
But because I board them below there, that's why, because that was a door over there, you know. You see me? Guys, this building is huge, and this is our greatest find because it come right up to roof.
But this can fix back, you know.
This can put on a roof and live in.
Yeah, man, I'm putting back flooring.
Flooring. So this, may I give this?
So anybody wants to buy?
Guys, because I'm not sure what we're gonna find in the future because we are in that area for a while. So may I give this a 6.5, guys. What do you think? Let me know your vote down in the comment section down below. As to all our finds, let me know what you rate this as. Me give 6.5. Don't tell me yes you agree with my 6.5. Type your vote in the comment section down below and make we know. We'll start do that with all of these buildings we are gonna do around here in Eastern St. Thomas. Alright. Building big enough, guys. Let me see how far we still walk on. Building still there. And then there's more. This one step in, so you know it's a whole next compartment up here, so you know, Kenneth. Kenneth, me tell you, walk on the people them.
That's me the roll, man.
And that me I say, me don't know me a job. Walk on the step and stop walk and jump up on wall and the people them place, Kenneth. Yeah man, I step if you walk. That's one more for post, guys. When you see them, Kenneth, you have to check if you think upon them already, is it? Not another pond there. But I find a couple of them up an island head. Hold on, man, Kenneth, where you go? Ooh, that's not nice. Alright. Yeah, guys, this is a huge find. I'm really appreciating this find because it's been a while we have been searching and it's been a while since we really find nothing so big. What this one? So where? What this one? Oh, where I pick? Orange? Okay. Can I pick more orange pips? Come follow my son.
You know, so bad, you know?
Oh, true.
Yeah, I know something to back down.
And I bring nothing to get the people up here.
Let's get a little rum.
Where do I? Where you get rum?
You walk with the little rum now.
You're a mad man, you know.
I think the ancestors get a little rum.
Oh, your ancestors. Fire side.
Fire side.
Shabba mother pot. Guys, I want to show you something before we leave. Now look here, you see how that stone come out right there, sir? Neat. I don't know where it is. I go delete that down there, so see that down there, sir? At the first, I move one of them stone here, guys. What this make on this? I want to look on that. You catch that? This is what them use. I don't know what. This is some silicon, something, yo. Whole heap of different sediment mixed together. You notice the glisten night? You notice that, Kenneth? Guys, you see this? You notice what it glisten? You see it on camera?
Yeah.
I don't know what them using at this. But them use this as the binder. Like concrete.
Anytime I did that, you say
Limestone.
limestone.
Guys, if there's anyone, I'm going to ask again because my ask is already on the show and I did not get a reply. If there's anyone who have any information as to how we can get carbon dating done, let me know. Alright? Because not even carbon dating like we need microbiology and everything. We need to know what compounds make up this solution where them use to bind these stones together. We hear sir, limestone, we hear a lot of things, but then we would like to know for a fact so that we can give people the facts. Because we don't like to talk about hearsay. This break easy. It's when like concrete.
When it dry over a period of time?
Yeah, I like concrete, but I don't know what I got. I not even eat the orange because I know for something poisonous, you see me? So guys, you don't know what? Would I really like to know? You understand? So help me out in the comment section down below. Alright?
Yeah, but if I even anything where then make it after 400 years, it would have start decay.
Concrete has start decay too.
So
It's a thing where coming like concrete, no kind hold it together, but it a decay after a while.
Yeah.
But another decay, no, and it hold it together.
Yeah, but what make it?
What make it? Isn't it? We need a piece of this, you know. So guys, when you get to me and let me know, because me have a piece of this in my bag right now. It's an on for carbon dating or biological. I don't remember the word. Let me know in the comment section down below. Still, I want to know what compounds make up this. So can it walk up there so can feel like up there so shorter. Left piece of orange to me now.
No, I'm not shorter.
I mean I walk down here so. Alright, so yeah. So guys, downstairs again. You have to come back down here, so down here nice, you know. So guys, notice how we find the walls when there is no house. You notice this wall, guys? Yeah, this is what we look for. Alright? Yeah, man. Just a little bit of info right there as to how we find these places and know exactly what we find. So the fact is, I not even forgot through the door. I was gonna go through that door, guys, which is the main entrance. Not like disrespect people yard, but just to walk through them house and look what I got. So Mr. Forsyth. Who was Mr. Forsyth? Oh, that had a step around this piece that it came down. Who was Mr. Forsyth? I don't know who was Mr. Forsyth. Really would have loved to know who was Mr. Forsyth because there's no information on this Philip Forsyth or is not his son William Forsyth. You see them? These are them, they're not peeps. Yeah, man, afraid of them. Alright guys, so here we're out of the building. Hold on. Yeah guys, that's the building right there. Yeah, because I saw one bamboo in the house now. So my uncle find one pot, guys. I'm showing you that pot. Yeah. What kind of pot that you find?
It look like man in live after a while, you know. Let's say. My Virgin used to farm around the man. Rye man, give it to man.
What a bowl. Little flour, little cake soap can stop.
Alright. You can see it till we come back.
No, come back cooking it. Guys, if you don't want to come back and cooking it, no, I'm not do it because I'm not come back and come cooking it. Maybe bring my one pot if I come on and come cook. So I'm not even going to ask a question. Thank you all for watching. It was a pleasure having you here. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. And also guys, please, if you're not afraid, subscribe to Jampedia. Jampedia is a new Elite Jamaica channel. Jampedia is a channel which we will be uploading, we call it, let me see the best way to put it, Jamaican crime stories. Alright, those are cold case files from within Jamaica. Nobody not do that. Nobody not have them information there. Guys, you don't know say anything with Elite Jamaica do, like we alone do it in Jamaica, though. So Jampedia will be, you know, me kind of decide what I'm going to put on the channel. Jampedia will be the channel that has all cold case files from Jamaica. And a lot of criminal files also, because we are going to have the Sandokan and the George Pang, all of them things there, them biography. Check out Jampedia, subscribe, get us to 1,000 subscribers, because you know, we not set up PayPal and them thing there. It's not a channel set up for donations. However, we need to know so the channel there 1,000 subscribers so we can be receiving revenue from the channel for progression of the work. Alright, so it's not about donations and all of that. It's just so that we can get a legal salary from YouTube for these videos. Because it takes a lot to create these videos, guys. So really appreciate when you subscribe to the channel, when you like the video, and when you share the video. Alright, so yeah man, who watched my last video, the green screen video? how much money is enough for a trip to Jamaica. Let me know the feedback on that video. Let me know if you all like that video. And if you don't want to see more of them videos, because Jampedia videos will be all green screen, guys. All green screen, baby. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. It's been a pleasure having you here. Y'all stay blessed.